Welcome back to the channels, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, we have an X3 that we're installing the MMI Prime interface into, which features things like wireless Apple CarPlay, plus wireless screen mirroring. We also installed a backup camera in the X3. These features are great additions. Stick around. So if you haven't been familiar with the MMI Prime, check out the attached video link to see some more in-depth features. This interface is excellent for people who want the modern abilities to use wireless Apple CarPlay and things like screen mirroring. In the box, we're welcome with the interface itself. As we go further in, you have the plug-and-play harness. This precision-made cable makes for an OEM fit. We have the Wi-Fi antenna, the USB AV harness, the monitor screen jumper, plus the customer decided to upgrade with a backup camera retrofit as well. Let's move along and head into the BimmerTech showroom and see how everything functions after the install was completed. Moving on to the interior. Once our Apple device is connected, you can see we have access to all the Apple apps that you would want with wireless Apple CarPlay. You have things like Google Maps, which is one of my most used apps besides my iTunes Music. Another awesome feature is the wireless screen mirroring that you can do with your Apple device. Not to mention, you have the option to use a USB stick to play movies or screen mirroring with your Android device as well. And once we have our Android device connected, you also have a bunch of features and functions that you'd hope to use as well. Just making sure you have your Android Auto apps downloaded. And if you're curious to see how this can get retrofitted into your vehicle, head over to our website where you can enter in your VIN number and we can give you all the details. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, you can see the backup camera. It looks like an OEM fit and works just perfectly. We'll go ahead and pull the X3 out of the showroom to see how well the backup camera works. And just as you'd expect, once you put the car in reverse, the camera pops up. It even has the dynamic lines that you need to make sure you're parking in straight. And let us know in the comments section what other vehicles you want to see the MMI Prime system installed in. Once again, guys, my name is Chaz. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.